Hi, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Today, we are diving into a fun and exciting topic, how to sound like a girl using a voice changer on Discord. For this tutorial, we will show you how to use EaseUS VoiceWave to turn your voice into cute girl voice. Step 1. Search EaseUS VoiceWave on your Chrome. The first one is what we are looking for. Let's go to its homepage and click Free Download to download.exe file. Then click this file to install this app. Launch this app on your device, then go to Setting, select your microphone. Here, I select USB audio device and then choose my headphone. Go to the voice changer and select Girl Voice. Let's see the result. This is my original voice. Welcome back to EaseUS YouTube channel. And this is effect after voice change.
Welcome back to EaseUS YouTube channel.
This real-time voice changer also works seamlessly with platforms like Discord, so here we show you how to use this girl voice changer on Discord. First, open Discord, find and click on the Setting button. Then, locate the voice and video section and choose VoiceWave Microphone as your input device. Also at this page, keep sliding and find the noise suppression. Change the degree to standard or none. Here I select Standard. After these settings, you can use this girl voice changer whenever you need to change your voice. Or you want to change your voice during live streaming or gaming, you can add keybind for each voice to achieve voice change smoothly. Add any key to make your favorite sound effect more accessible. You can even adjust its volume, pitch, and timbre. This is today's tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.